Hello, good afternoon, everyone. My name is Bashir. Once again, I'm here to introduce you a new lesson. What letter comes after letter T? Yeah? Okay. Letter U, good. Letter U. And today's lesson is about letter U. And we are going to go through it to see how we can identify some of the letters that comes with the letter U, and also objects that can be identified using letter U. This is letter U, the uppercase letter U. In other words, it can also be called capital letter U. Letter U, uppercase. We also have this letter, which is the lowercase letter U. Lowercase letter U. This is lowercase letter U. And to help us to move on with today's lesson, our focus is going to be on this one, which is the small U. This is called U, and the sound is going to be focused on this, which will help us to identify the photos that will be displayed here. This is uppercase U, lowercase U. Now we are going to learn the letter sound. So the letter sound, it is going to be ah, 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 ah. I have a photo here to show. I have a photo here to show to you, and this photo is part of our beauty or handsomeness. If you are not beautiful, it is other way around. If you are a man and they say you are not handsome, it is other way around. So I'm going to show you this picture, then you know what is it. Okay, this is a photo that shows ugly face, ugly face, ugly face. So in trying to practice the sound, this is so ugly, 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 ugly. I also have a photo here to show to you, and it is very useful during 2 seasons, or whenever we go out. If the weather is very hot, we normally use it. If there's rain, we use it. Who can guess the photo that will be shown according to this description? Okay, if you are walking with it, you have to use your hand to move with it, and it is like this. Okay, good. Umbrella, 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 umbrella. This is an umbrella, umbrella. Ugly, ugly. Umbrella, umbrella, umbrella. Ugly, ugly, ugly. Umbrella, 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 ugly. We also have something to show, and that one is a sign when we are pointing something either to the sky, to the ceiling, or whatsoever going. So how do we say it? Yeah? What sign shows if you are looking, you turn your head like this? Okay, that's up. Up. And this is a sign of up. 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 This is U, capital U or uppercase U, lowercase u. In trying to identify this thing by using sound, then here changes to be ugly, 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 umbrella, umbrella, up, ugly, ugly, umbrella, umbrella, up. Okay, let us see whether you'll be able to pronounce this one by sounding the way it's supposed to be. Yes. Again. Ugly. Good. Umbrella, umbrella, up, good. So this is capital U, which is the uppercase U, Remember, this is also U, lowercase. But in trying to help us to identify the photos and the sign, we must go with the sound. And the sound will also sound like ugly, ugly, umbrella, up. Okay. We have the letter U, which is the uppercase. So it is very important for us to know how to write it, but we are using the tracing to trace it to be able to write it. Okay. So how do we get it done in a way that we want it to be, just like how you see it on the board? It means by using your pencil, you start from here, you trace it down slowly, 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 slowly. You go curve, go this way, then you get it. Then we follow this one, also the lowercase u. Then that one too is also done. So we go over again. This is the uppercase U, which can also be called capital U. Then we have the lowercase, which is the small u. So uppercase U, the lowercase u. But when it comes to sound, we try to change it in a way that will go with any photo or word that will sound like this. So ugly. Again, ugly. Umbrella. Umbrella. Up. Okay. So this one. So one more time. We say it one after the other. This, the uppercase U, the lowercase u. When we are going to pronounce this, we must be able to pronounce it very well to sound. So we are using the letter sound. So ugly. Again, ugly. Umbrella. Umbrella. Up. Okay. I think you continue to practice this one to trace it to be able to write the letter U. Remember to practice these ones to be able to pronounce words that start with letter U very clearly, just as we have done. We have more videos to be uploaded. Continue to visit our YouTube channel, Cambodia Intellectuals Academy, and other social media platforms. I wish you good luck, good health. Thank you very much.